For the first time, the Alpine A110 will set its foot on the Florida soil, celebrating its presence at the inaugural F1 Grand Prix of Miami. For this premiere, the A110 will pay tribute to this very special destination with a unique set of colors and customizations from the Alpine Atelier. Inspired by the neon lights of Ocean Drive, the Art Deco buildings overlooking Miami, the colorful sunsets and the city's vibrant music scene, the A110 South Beach Colorway will be available in 2 liveries, blue or pink. Highlighted by 18-inch white Serac wheels, this exclusive package will distinguish this unique theme. Extending to the vehicle's interior, the South Beach floor mats will be embroidered in the colors of the liveries, and the blue and pink flags will adorn both the exterior and interior of the A110. Light gray stitching will finish the seats and the leather of the central console,